thank you for joining us. I'm thrilled to be here today to cut the ceremonial ribbon and celebrate all the improvements in this great community park. And I think that you'll agree that investment in this park, all of the great things we've done on the parking lot, on the inside, for the community programs, is a wonderful investment in this community.
This has been a long time coming. We started this project in October of 2018. And we started with a vision and by engaging the community. We came up with this great learning lab idea. We went to visit the library system, stole some ideas about the Lego wall, the 12 the workstations, and we took the county's fiber program, we ran it to the park, we connected all the computers. If you haven't been here in a long time, there was only like 4 or 5 spaces. So it took a while to get the parking lot done and bring in the LED lighting with the drainage and the permitting. That got done pretty quickly. But overall, what you get is, you get this great program with a great educational component to it. You renovate the kitchen, the restrooms, the office area, the storage, the outside community garden in the back if you want to take a look at the new playground. We're going to have a look at a shade system over the playground for next year. We took this park here and we resurfaced the basketball courts.
This small neighborhood, these kind of parks are the backbone of your communities and have a tremendous impact on their quality of life. And so I am proud to help cut the ribbon on these much needed renovations. And my goal, as Kevin's goal, is to give these facilities a facelift on a regular basis because they get very tired. They're used a lot, and that just shows you how the residents need these facilities. As I said, it took a lot of folks to be committed to getting this project done, but I think once you get your tour, you're going to see how beautiful it is. And if you didn't see it before, it's kind of hard to envision what it looked like before, but this is just tremendous. It's amazing that we can do this.
We have a phrase in the county. It starts in the parks, and I believe that that's certainly the case. And these facilities that are made available to the public bring a absolutely tremendous sense of community. So our parks promote wellness, they encourage activity, they provide a safe gathering place in our communities, and a way to connect with our friends and neighbors. 2, 1.